going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make my favourite dipping sauce that I have when I go to Thailand at the MK restaurant, and you use it to dip your duck or pork belly in. It's kind of like having a Thai hot pot where you put all your vegetables and meat in and let it cook in the broth. So let's go and I'll show you how to make the dipping sauce. Alrighty, for the ingredients you need half a cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of sweet soy sauce. So let's go and I'll show you how to make it. Going to add all the ingredients together, give it a good mix until the sugar dissolves, and then I'm going to garnish it with some chilies that I've chopped up. And there you go. How easy was that? So how easy was that? So if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. And I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers!